Hey, what's going on? You know who it is. It is the Michael Jordan of hotels, Bruce Jordan. And today we're going to be talking about what to do when your credit card declines when you're traveling.
It was prophesied that another Jordan will be born who will be greater than Michael Jordan. But he won't be the MJ of basketball. He will be the MJ of hotels.
Prophecy fulfilled. In the hotel industry, we see this all the time. A guest comes in, swipes that card, and even a black card can decline. So you need to be able to know what to do to go ahead and make sure the guests get inside of that room and make sure we get the booking, baby. Let's make it happen. So there's three things that you could do immediately for the guests. One, have the guests call their credit card company to make sure there's no unauthorized charges on their card. This happens all the time. 9 times out of 10, the guest isn't looking at the credit card statements too tough. They see a charge that they don't recognize. They call their bank and they dispute it, and usually a temporary credit is issued within 24 hours. Most of the time, it's immediately, as soon as they hang up the phone. So that will get their card to go through, give them a little bit more room to, you know what, pay for their stay. The second thing they can do is they can contact their credit card company and say, I need to make an emergency payment. If something that's on their card is not supposed to be there, or sometimes those rent-a-car companies will throw this ridiculous authorization hold on your card, and that ties up the funds. So if they make an emergency payment and have the credit card company apply immediately, that will give them some more credit so that the payment can go through. The final thing they can do, which is number 3, is that they can just call the credit card company and ask for a credit increase. That's usually something that's done instantaneously. They get the increase, they get some more room in the card, and of course the payment will go through because now they have a little bit more credit to play with. Who knows, they may want to upgrade after that. So definitely push that one. Now, if you're the hotel and none of these things are working for the guests, these are some things that you want to do. 1, split the authorization. A lot of times, a lot of hotels, they charge their authorization hold is per day. So if it's $100 a day or $50 a day, they're staying there for a week. You have about $350 if it's $50 a day that's tying up their funds. So they're probably just playing for what their total is going to be for their stay. They wasn't thinking about the other balance. So if that's the case, split up the authorization and do a manual authorization. So the first authorization be for the actual stay, and that should go through with no problem. And the next authorization will have to be done manually. The way you can do that is contact your merchant, say, hey, I need a manual authorization for this amount. That should help out a lot. Now, if you have any questions, you know what to do. Also, make sure you go check out my new book, The Hotel Revenue Bible. That will tell you everything that you need to know on how to get your hotel more revenue, how to increase that revenue to keep your hotel in the black, baby. Let's get this money and let's make it happen. Talk to you soon. MJ Hotels, you know what we're here to do. We're here to make your revenues rise up once again.